Hello everyone, this is me, Adi Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as the owner of a Google partner company. And in case if you need Google Ads audit setup management services, or in case if you need Google Ads merchant center account suspension, optimization, or feeds issues, me and my team can help you. You can hire us through the link in the description. So today I'm here with an amazing, interesting Google merchant center account restoration case study. But this case study is different from others. Why? Because this case study initially had misrepresentation suspension, but eventually turned into website needs or online improvement suspension. So eventually it turned into two suspensions for the same account. So let me start it on this amazing case study. So you can see that this was an original over here. Also even the verify identity issue came later on. The first was misrepresentation. For those who don't know, we were targeting Germany over here. You can see over here, no Google Ads gun was linked over it because we wanted to ensure that the Google ad doesn't get suspended while restoring this. Usually, in case if you have connected your Google Ads account simultaneously, the chances of being suspended that goes high into higher, which is why we wanted to make sure. So we unlinked the Google Ads account. I can see over it that this was an initial misrepresentation, and that while we were trying to do the audit, while we were trying to restore from misrepresentation, suddenly we saw this another error over here that website or online store needs improvement as well. So we got two errors which we have to fix. You can see the misrepresentation error is continuously being shown for this as well. So you can see over here that it became a difficult case study, but me and my team have so far restored hundreds of cases, and we have so far got ample of experience in restoring cases. So which is why we have a detailed checklist which we use to analyze, sort out any issues in we have, and then when we started working over it, and I'm going to show you how we worked over it, and how we got it over there. So and other thing which we were when we're doing this, you know we initially got it into limited. Now when your products are not being approved, it's being shown over here, and then when it went into limited time, we thought that the account is going to be approved, because from limited goes to approval, and from approval goes to limited, and from limited goes to not approved. Same is the procedure vice versa when we are going to restore the account. So you can see over here that this was an issue. Now when we were when it went to not limited, we were happy like it's going to be restored. But what actually happened was we got this an email over here which actually explained to us that unfortunately your Google found an issue with your account, and that causes misrepresentation as a free listing and shopping ads cannot display. So we do not have our free listing enabled, not our shopping ads enabled, and they also asked us to submit your government issued ID card. So these things were in parallel running for our account. So I'm going to show you step by step on what things we did and how we got it sorted out. And another thing is, when we started working on it, we found some errors in the Google Search Console. When we do our detailed audit is so big that we will look for SEO optimization, we will look for on-page SEO, user experience, UI, the account settings on the Google Merchant Center, the settings on the website. We have so many issues, and we also look on Google Search Console issues. And when we try to fix those issues, we got this error. Like some fixes failed for indexing, like we actually wanted to sort out the not found 404 pages, they were all there, and when we tried fixing it was over there. So what we did was we worked on the robots.txt file to get it sorted. So, I mean, and you may be surprised to know how many audits we did before we get into this. I'm going to show you this later on. I'm going to show you the audit, the audit we did, and how that audit actually helped us. Not only the single audit, we have a team, we do multiple audits, some require single audit, some require multiple audits. So this is how we got it sorted. You can see over here that these were the issues on the account. I'm gonna make it 100% so you can see it over here. First of all, the issue over here was that there was no favicon. Favicon is actually the icon, like this. This is a document icon. You can see over here. Usually, website has a favicon, and favicon actually increases the website authority. Second thing was, announcement bar should be taken to shipping page rather than collection page, as it is relating to shipping policy. So we had an issue on the announcement bar over here, and that we suggested, and then we suggested that in footer there is a repetition of pages, like more than one time contact us page was being mentioned. We also suggested adding more social media links, and then on the social media pages, we suggested them to have the website backlinked on, have more posts, have more followers, have more engagement on follow social media to show yourself as an actively engaged company. Then we thought figure out that there are two collections with the same name, so which actually make it misleading, like swimsuit and swimwear. So that was a confusion over there. Also, we suggested removing the jacket category, as it contains the same products in blazers category. Another same categories are clothes and clothing is over here. This was an issue as well. And then there were some blank categories as well. That was an issue as well. And then if you have a business on Google Maps listing, we suggested adding those as well. We also figured out some dead links as well. And after this story doesn't end over here, then there was another audit over there they done as well. You can see over here that we suggested some reviews. We suggested adding the payment logo over there. Then there was some even formatting error that needs to be optimized. Then we say that why returns are being shipped to China when you are not going from shipment. So then they informed us that they are shipping directly from China. So it's kind of like a drop shipping case as well for you guys to understand. So I'm just sharing out, how the and then we also suggested removing the word Austria as we are focusing on Germany. So why adding another country? You can see that how much Google advances, like even a simple different country can going to for trouble for us. We looked on each aspect, even we resized them, even we formatted them, even we looked on a single word to word, and not a single audit, but amples of audit. It requires patience, consistent amples of audit, but not by me, but my team, everyone. They solely participated and made sure to get it restored. So again, you can see over here, like in this page, there was irrelevant spacing. Like I told you, these are so many issues over here. Like it's a blank space, and even this could cause an issue over here. Sometimes there are issues over here, like this column. This is a grammatical issue, and because Google is so concerned with the quality of the website, and then we remove that as well. And then we suggested another product. This could have an issue, so we suggested to add this product in the draft as well. And you can see over here that this is an original story of the account over here, that the ad was running, and then went into this approval over here. I'm just showing you over here. And another is over here, you can see over here, even you can see the customer ID as well, in case if you want to verify later on, you can do it. And you can see the other issues on website present as well, like missing value, limited performance due to missing value, GTIN, invalid value, age group missing value, incorrect value, restricted adult content. So actually we had to sort other issues on the GMC as well. These issues were sorted as well. Plus we looked on the business information, we looked on the every aspect, we matched it with the website, and we looked on the shipping policies being mentioned in the Google Merchant Center. We looked on the website, everything was being cross-checked, not by single twice. And then there was a consistent support with the Google regarding it. As a Google partner, we have a dedicated support, and everyone was this on it. And when we started communicating with Google, and whenever it went to wider team, and from the wider team, it actually went into your website needs improvement. You can see, I apologize for the convenience cost to you. As informed earlier, we have guided, and and then they said you that the website has been approved for website needs improvement. So that time, our single issue of website needs improvement was being solved, but misrepresentation was still over there. Also, this is a manual review, manual appeal, but they only solved a single issue, which caused on it, like it was being suspended misrepresentation earlier. Secondly, it came into for website needs improvement, but the second issue was solved first, and still it had misrepresentation impact on it. So we were very concerned regarding this, and like they told us, and then we were in a very sad moment. And then when we started consulting with them, and then finally we got it finally approved over here. And I'm going to refresh you so you can see that this is not something artificial. You can see over here that this is now approved with no with one product notification. One product still needs attention, which we suggested them to pause right now because it had some issues. Otherwise, the store is not completely approved. Can run ads. You can see that this ad is approved, and this ad has issues like only this ad product needs to have missing value, age group, color, gender, size are being mentioned. Otherwise, there are no issues with any other product, and this makes it a successful case study like that. You can see over here approved signs are being visible with all of the products. You can see over here, and we can now conclude. Now you can see over here the clicks have started appearing again. You can see over here that there were the clicks, and then it went into no clicks. And now you can see over here that it's being resumed, and now you can see the clicks are slowly coming on. There is nothing on, not approved, under review, not limited. It was previously limited, came to limited again, and then we have solved it. Now this is another successful case study, and now this is not only successful case study. This is like our out of hundreds of case studies. This is another successful case study. Again, appreciation and credits to my team who worked along with me to making sure to get this account restored. And in case if you need Google Merchant Center account restoration service, in case if your Google Ads account is suspended, in case if you need help with Google Ads audit setup management, or in case if you need help with a Google shopping campaign or other issues, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward working in restoring and solving these issues. So yeah, do hire us through the link in the description, and we look forward working with you. Thank you for watching. Take care, and in case if you have any questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.